Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sirina Novita Dewi. I'm a student of English Education Study Program in English Department of UNES. I would like to practicing some example words of English vowel sounds. The following are the examples. Number 1. English vowel sound E. She. This. Peace. Each. Street. Number 2. English vowel sound A. Only. Very. King. Ring. Money. Number 3. English vowel sound A. Dead. Any. Well. Ever. Again. And number 4. English vowel sound A. Exactly. Brush. Action. Natural. Fact. Those are the example words of English vowel sounds. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.